3 things that changed and made my life as a traveler much easier when I started doing them. But before I talk about that, I need to change hotels here, change my accommodation. So just give me a minute while I vlog here, film, talk, and survive in today's video.
So I'm on the island. Jesus, and said,
I have to change hotels. I got a hotel that's 900 meters from here, and it's faster with traffic like this. It's faster for me to walk than to use boats. They have Uber here, they have Bolt, which is another app. And one crazy thing is that if I didn't have internet, I don't know how I would be doing this. Because nowadays, everything I do when I travel, I need to be connected.
I need my map, I pull up my map and go for it.
Well, the number one thing that changed my life as a traveler was using digital SIM cards, the famous eSIMs, where you don't have to buy a physical SIM card, but you can get it online, you buy it online, and you can automatically install it on your phone and use it in more than 200 destinations. It's a game changer.
I've already checked the GPS.
It's to the left, it's good because we don't waste time, you know? Connected people don't waste time. I'm going to do a live stream for you guys here, live straight from the island, from Cyprus, about airline miles, which is awesome. There will be lots of promotions, lots of good tips for you. I'm going to do this big live stream, you know? Shine, and me too. So let me go to the hotel and there I'll connect and show you the speed to see if it's possible to do a live stream with this chip I'm using. Guys, another thing, traveling light is one of the best choices I've made in my life. 2 things like that, 2 things that changed. What a beautiful church, look at this. I love that here, you're just walking and out of nowhere you come across a building like this and you say, what a beautiful thing.
And it's kind of easy to notice because it's so natural, so normal for them. But as I was saying, I love Emilia.
Number 2 is learning to travel with a carry-on bag. Ever since I started traveling with a carry-on, my life has become much easier.
You don't need more than a carry-on bag to travel the world, Esteva. But if you're going to Japan, you still don't need more than that. Esteva, but if it's for a month, you don't need more than that either.
Did he get it? Very chill. It's really easy to travel with just a carry-on bag. I'm a fan. Look at these coffees, they're so good. Right next to his, there's already another coffee here. Let's keep going. Oh, I already want to have another coffee. After this, I'm going to meet my friends, I'll get a boat. You know that app we use on our phones like Uber? And I'm going to explore the lake. It's the biggest salt lake here. It's right next to the airport. You can see the planes taking off and landing. There are flamingos. It's a beautiful thing. We're going there to hang out. No, the idea is not to get into trouble here with this construction. But thanks to the internet, I have, look, the SIM card. Look, I'm going to take a detour here because I've already seen the right way. Crazy thing is, when I used to travel, I was always looking for eyeglass stores because I had 12 diopters. I still do, right? 12 diopters of myopia. But I had surgery, right? When you have surgery, you don't stop being myopic. But after I had this lens implanted in my eye from the surgery, wow, my life changed. I don't worry about contacts anymore, about contact solution, about my glasses breaking, nothing like that, you know, it's liberating. Look, Dr. Leoncio, I love you. Thank you so much. It was really great. And I was just thinking about this because it already happened once in Peru. I remember that we missed a whole outing, a whole excursion in Peru because I had to go look for a contact lens because I didn't have my glasses on the trip. I lost my lens, which wasn't a daily lens. It was one of those 3-month ones, you know, 2 or 3 months. It was a whole ordeal. Guys, I'm really reflective right now, guys. So where am I? I'm really reflective. I'm really juju reflective. Hold on. Let me find my hotel here, man.
This here. Wow.
Lots of cool little coffee shops. I already want to explore this place. Knowing how to work, getting your life on track. You see life happen. People cleaning a sidewalk. Hello?
Hello.
You see people are shy, but deep down, they're friendly. You can. You're the one with excess baggage. Oh, I arrived at my hotel here on Cyprus, and I booked this hotel yesterday on my phone. I'm not even kidding. I booked it yesterday. I was on the other side of the border in northern Cyprus, which is controlled by Turkey. We've made several videos here on the channel explaining the situation, how things are. And my tour was about to end, and I said, man, I want to explore more of Cyprus, right? I didn't want to explore just the north. So I ended up booking it yesterday. I grabbed my phone on the bus yesterday. Coming here, I was at the military base there, passing by the British military base. I arrived in the south, picked up my phone and booked it. I even got a great deal, a great promotion.
A great rate.
For 2 nights, guys, I paid such a good price at this hotel because I got a big discount through Genius, which is Booking's loyalty program too. And another thing was the year-end discount, so it ended up being a great rate.
It's a really cute, cozy hotel. I'll show it to you.
I booked 2 nights. I think 2 nights is more than enough to stay, right? Man, I'm always using the internet to research things for my video. So when I booked all of these online, guys, that's what keeps the vlog going. And later, girls, in today's video, we're going to vlog what I had to see about the traffic on this island. Guys, it's a tiny island, right? But there's a lot of traffic, it's crazy. And anyway, then I get my little Holafly chip in several places around the world, right? It works in more than 200 destinations. That makes me really happy, because I know that pretty much anywhere I go, I'm good with Holafly. So whether it's an island like this one I'm on, or like the United States, Europe, Asia, well, this here is Europe,
Right?
and we've arrived.
Girls.
And see you around. Yes, of course it's Europe. This is the Europe we love so much. Seriously, guys, I'm in love, really in love here in Cyprus. Yes, I changed my clothes. Now, you know what's also crazy to change? Switching from Wi-Fi to a SIM card. The SIM card I'm using here is actually better than the Wi-Fi at this hotel, right? At the place I'm staying here. I really wanted to share this with you because I find it pretty surprising. I've used Holafly in other places, in other destinations. As you've seen, I'm always connected in the videos. And now I have to request a ride. I'm going out for dinner, so I'm going to request a ride. And sometimes when we're going, we have the local Wi-Fi, right? But then on the way back, you're out on the street. It's really important to have good internet that works.
And then I can easily manage my plan here. See, my current plan is this one. Look, Europe, 30 days. So it was activated on November 12th. And it will stay active until then.
Valid for 30 days, it's wonderful. And for any support I need, I just click here. They have support 24 hours a day. It's a beautiful thing. Hey guys, you know what really gets me now? Is the fact that you don't need a physical SIM card to travel anymore. You can travel with an eSIM. What's an eSIM? Yes, it's a digital SIM card. So you can buy this SIM card hours or days before your trip without having to worry about receiving the SIM card, swapping SIM cards, asking to borrow someone's earring to open the SIM tray like I've done so many times in my life. Holafly offers the digital eSIM. So you buy the eSIM and then you can use it in more than 200 destinations around the world with high-speed internet in several places. You even get unlimited data. So you're going to have really high-speed internet. And even if that super high-speed internet drops, they don't cut off your data. Because sometimes I know there are SIM cards out there that cancel your internet and keep making you add more and more gigabytes. But in this case with Holafly, no, they won't cancel your internet. You stay online for the entire period you paid for. I think that's really good. Even after you use up the maximum speed of your plan. Now I'm going to unpack my suitcase here. Guys, it's really crazy, isn't it? In the middle of the trip, you start to have so many dirty clothes. Another thing that really improved in my trips is doing laundry, you know. I started washing a little more during the trip. I used to bring a lot of t-shirts. It's light, easy, and doesn't wrinkle.
If you want to iron it, that made my life a lot easier.
Number 3 is to travel with neutral clothes, ones I can wear again and also wash. Yes, I learned that many times you can even wash a basic t-shirt in the shower and it will dry super fast. Especially the t-shirts I've been wearing here for years on the channel, which you already know. You know there's discount codes in the description for all our partners.
Excited, right? I'll explain more about that.
Another thing that really set me free in my life was starting to travel with just a carry-on bag. A few years ago, I was the kind of person who would check my luggage and thought it was silly when people told me, Steven, traveling with a carry-on is liberating.
And isn't it true?
Ever since I started traveling with just a carry-on and a backpack a few years ago, my life has become so much easier, lighter, and more relaxed. This is something that really helps when you need to switch hotels. When you have to catch a flight, you usually have to arrive hours before at the airport. But no, you can just get there right before your flight, relax, and enjoy a drink in the VIP lounge.
And then you just board.
Not to mention there's no stress either, you know. When you check a bag, you wonder if your bag will arrive or if they're going to break your bag. That's another thing that made my life so much easier.
Let's travel. And I hope this video
was very helpful for you. If you don't know Holafly yet, I'll leave the link here in the description with a huge discount and a QR code on the screen too, so you can travel the world always connected, just like I love to do. And thank you to Holafly for supporting my work so much, for supporting our channel. Thanks to their support and to you valuing our channel's partners, we're able to bring this content to you 100% free here on YouTube. And never forget that you are an amazing human being and you can go as far as you want. See you, traveler, and I'll see you in the next video here in Cyprus, this wonderful island.